1969 SuperBee, 33 4-speed car. But look what someone did to the interior. Leather interior, or leopard's print interior. Alright, I'm visiting my friend Ben's uncle here in Iowa. Look at this scene. How cool is that? Old Model A pickup truck that's seen better days. Matching gas pump. Old truck. But it's a Dubuque brewery. Hold on, let me see the engine real quick. I didn't see it.
By the webs and everything.
Oh yeah, but it's the original. Well, it's at least an original 3-3.
Yep, number matching engine, tranny.
Yeah. Wow.
That's when they say all number matching.
Mm-hmm.
When they say number matching.
1969 SuperBee, 33 4-speed car. But look what someone did to the interior. Leather interior, or leopard's print interior. But it's all there, just really rusty. But how cool is that B emblem? This thing is just... Oh yeah, definitely looks like it's all original stuff. Other than the rims aren't original. And then there's not a GTO, but a Tempest or a Le Mans over there. It's a Le Mans. And then what year is this over here? 49 Chevy. Original paint car. It's good yard art. Glass plated. Can't even tell anymore. Is it that bad in the back? Hold on.
Oh, yeah. 2x4s in the back.
I've done that. I've done 2x4s to keep the leaf springs.
Hey, watch out, there's wasps.
Yeah, I see. There's a wasp nest. I can see ground over there. That's probably not the best. That's cool though. How cool is this? This is literally a yard ornament. Oh my, look. This is a yard ornament, man? Dude, I love the look on this thing. I apologize. I had no idea that the video didn't keep on recording. This video is from a few years ago when I went and visited Ben's uncle out in Iowa, and this car was built for this. It was like, I think it was a 4-door that they just chopped it and they wrapped it and they threw in a junk engine, and legitimately the uncle had it outside for lawn art because he thought it was cool. And it definitely was. It was a really neat looking car. You know, it looked like an old race car, and he did it up really well. I mean, I tried to buy it from him, and he wouldn't budge because I thought it'd be a great, like, get the roadkill guys to, like, actually fix it up and drive it, even though it was a death trap. I mean, nothing in the car really made sense other than it had a really cool look, and I was definitely taken with it, to say the least. But like I said, there wasn't just that hot rod. The '69 SuperBee was really cool. You'll see here in a second, a cat walks over the car while we're all around it talking, and I guess it lived underneath the car, something to that extent. The SuperBee was really rough. I mean, you can see from the video that there's holes in the trunk and holes throughout, and the white leopard print interior was rather unique. And here's the cat. It just decided, hey, I want to take the quickest way over, and decided to walk over the SuperBee while we were there. Which, as a cat person, I thought that was really funny. So, unfortunately, by this point, my GoPro is dead, and so I just snapped it going with my big camera. It was definitely a well taken care of cat. You can see that it was not small in size. The uncle, I believe, took care of it and fed it. And you don't see it in the video, but there's a barn that he actually has nice cars, including another Mopar and some Fords and a whole bunch of cool vintage petroleum, as they say. And yeah, there's the leopard print interior with the vintage steering wheel. And I actually don't think that's the original engine. Thinking about it now with the orange, I don't think that's the original. But this was another thing that he likes art, so he set up this whole scene with the old gas pump and the old truck just for this application. He wanted it to look like a derelict, gas station location. And it's one of I'll always remember that. It was such a neat place to visit and check out. I just wish the rest of the video had turned out as well as the pictures had. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that video from my friend Ben's uncle's place. I think that's what it was. Been a few years since we were there, and definitely some cool cars. I really enjoyed the cat that crossed the SuperBee. I'll show you, the picture should have been right before this, but definitely a good time. That was a really nice adventure going through Iowa, and I'm glad I did it. And a lot of cool stuff coming up. I was sick this week, and also we had horrible weather here in Chicago. So I did absolutely nothing on the green car or the blue car other than get some gas. But well, here, I'll turn around real quick. Yeah, still missing lights. So as soon as it gets nice, today was actually the first nice day we've had in a long time. And I went out with my friend instead of working in the garage. But it's supposed to turn here soon now that it's spring. Happy April. And yeah, a lot of cool stuff. I got a few junkyard adventures planned here in the next coming weeks, so I'll keep you guys up to date. But the next big car show will be Jefferson. I'm in Building 2, so I'll see you guys there. If you have any comments or questions, of course, you can drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, you'll see me on Monday, because every Monday, a new video. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Stay safe.